Hello. Hi. Welcome to Read to Talk. This is a real style podcast in simple English. We speak slowly. We keep it natural. Today's topic is hobbies and free time.
Hi, everyone. I am Steve. I love free time. Free time is my favorite time.
Of course. In this episode, we will talk like two friends. Simple English, short sentences, real conversation.
And maybe we will discover my hidden talents.
Hidden talents?
Yes, like eating chips professionally.
That is not a hobby. That is a lifestyle.
Thank you. I feel seen.
Okay, let's start. Steve, quick question. What do you do in your free time?
I do simple things. I watch videos, I listen to music, I go for walks.
Nice. Walks are good.
Yes, and I also cook a little.
Really?
Yes, I cook eggs and pasta. That is my cooking level.
That is a real start. Eggs and pasta can save a life.
Exactly. I am a survival chef.
What about you, Luma? What do you do in your free time? I like reading. I like podcasts. I like learning new things.
You are a productive free time person.
Sometimes, but I also like relaxing. I watch a movie. I talk to friends.
Talking to friends is a great hobby.
Yes, it is simple and good.
I hear you say I like. That is very useful.
Yes, beginners can use I like all the time. It's easy.
Like, I like music. I like movies. I like pizza.
Perfect. And I love is stronger.
I love pizza.
Yes, and I don't like is also useful.
I don't like waking up early.
Very honest.
Thank you.
Steve, what hobbies do you think are common?
Okay. People like sports. People like music. People like games.
Yes, many people like reading, cooking, dancing, drawing, singing.
Singing in the shower.
Shower singing is very popular.
Very popular. My shower audience loves me. I also like playing games. Simple games.
Like phone games?
Yes, phone games and sometimes board games.
Nice. Board games are fun with friends.
Yes, but I get competitive.
Oh no!
I say it's just a game, but inside, it is war.
Inside, it is war. That is so funny. Do you have more free time on weekdays or weekends?
Weekends, for sure. On weekdays, I work, I do chores, I answer messages.
Yes, weekdays can be busy.
On weekends, I rest. I sleep a little more. I clean the house a little.
Just a little.
Yes, I clean one thing. Then I feel proud.
One thing is something.
Exactly.
On weekends, I like a slow morning. Coffee, quiet, no rush.
Slow mornings are the best. Luma, what do you usually do on a Saturday?
It depends. Sometimes I go out. Sometimes I stay home.
Staying home is a strong plan.
Yes, on Saturday, I might visit family or I might meet a friend.
Might means maybe.
Yes, exactly. Very simple. Maybe.
On Saturday, I might watch a movie or I might go to the park.
Nice. And on Sunday?
Sunday is my reset day. I prepare for the week. I try to be responsible.
Try?
Try. Sometimes I succeed. Sometimes Netflix wins.
Do you ever start a hobby and stop?
Yes, many times.
Tell me.
One week I am a guitar person. Next week I am a running person. Next week I am a yoga person.
Wow, you change fast.
Yes, I love the idea of hobbies.
So the hobby is trying hobbies.
Exactly.
That is actually okay. You learn, you test, you find what you really enjoy.
Yes, and I always come back to one hobby.
Which one?
Eating snacks.
Steve?
It is my true passion.
In English, you can ask simple hobby questions.
Like what?
For example, What do you do for fun? Do you have a hobby? What do you like to do?
Those are great.
And you can answer, I like, I love, I don't like.
I like music. I love movies. I don't like waking up early.
Perfect. Let's do a mini story. Last weekend, you and I tried a new hobby,
Okay, what hobby?
painting.
Oh no, I am not artistic.
It's okay. We go to a small class. The teacher is friendly. The room is quiet.
I feel calm and scared.
The teacher says, paint a tree.
A tree. Simple.
Yes, I paint a tree. It looks like a tree.
Great.
You paint a tree too.
Yes. My tree looks like broccoli. The teacher says, nice tree. But her eyes say, what is that?
But you have fun. That's the point.
Yes, my broccoli tree is famous now.
Amazing. Okay, quick recap. Today, we talked about hobbies and free time. We used simple sentences like, I like, I love, I don't like, and questions like, what do you do for fun?
And we learned that hobbies can be simple. Walks, music, reading, cooking, movies.
Yes. Thank you for listening to Read to Talk.
And tell us, what do you do for fun?
Bye. See you next time.
Bye. Have a nice day.